designed to offer great sense of reliability and comfort. The Bombardier Challenger 650 is still one of the top known names on the business jet market, with an industry-leading dispatch reliability of over 99.9%. The Challenger 650 private jet was made to provide safety and peace of mind. The Challenger 650 private jet is the most reliable, with dispatch reliability of more than 99.9%. The Challenger 650 private jet, which has logged over 5 million flight hours, is built to meet the demands of today and tomorrow. The wing shape of the Challenger 650 aircraft provides an ultra-smooth flight, ensuring that you arrive refreshed and well-rested at your destination. The Challenger 650 aircraft has over 5 million flight hours and is still going strong, with class-leading reliability and more system redundancies than any of its competitors. For passenger comfort, the Bombardier Challenger 650 business jet is known for having a large, comfortable cabin with plenty of space. Because of its affordable maintenance programs and longer maintenance intervals than the competition, the Challenger 650 aircraft has the lowest direct operating cost in its class. Welcome to True Luxury. Kindly subscribe to enjoy educative content always. Now, let's dive inside the Bombardier Challenger 650 private jet. With a top speed of Mach 0.85 and a maximum operational height of 41 feet, you can fly to any location on the planet quickly and efficiently. The Bombardier Challenger 650 private aircraft has gained a reputation for being fully built to fly a remarkable range of 4,000 nautical miles when it comes to extended range. The world's developed centers, such as New York and London, or Dubai and Singapore, can be linked efficiently. Interior: the biggest cabin in its class is designed to provide an unrivaled private aircraft experience in the industry. Every feature of the Bombardier Challenger 650's cabin has been meticulously crafted to deliver on its promise of class-leading comfort, from the distinctive trim to the innovative fold-out tables, as well as the nicely designed comfortable seats, providing an unforgettable experience for passengers on board the private jet. The cabin of the Challenger 650 is the largest in its class. Extra legroom implies greater comfort, especially on long-haul flights with seats for up to 12 passengers. With a cabin width of 2.41 meters, a length of 7.8 meters, a height of 1.83 meters, and a floor line width of 2.11 meters, the Challenger 650 has the biggest cabin in its class. The Bombardier Challenger 650's roomy cabin means you will have plenty of legroom and a flat floor. Furthermore, the cabin of the Bombardier Challenger 650 private aircraft has a variety of floor designs to choose from, with 4 roomy cabin zones that may be modified to your seating preferences. Passengers will have office-like control, productivity and entertainment capabilities thanks to the next generation cabin management system built. Large windows that let in as much light as possible and well-placed touchscreens make sure that passengers on the private jet have the best experience possible. With available high-speed carbon internet connectivity, passengers may increase their productivity and stay as connected in the air as they are in the workplace. At the entrance, you will find a large galley with plenty of counter space, an oven, microwave, sink and faucet, a drainable ice drawer, and refrigerated storage, as well as a bathroom with plenty of light. The Challenger 650 has a Bombardier Vision flight deck. The Challenger 650 is geared to outperform well in the future, including synthetic vision and the most up-to-date navigational systems. The Rockwell Collins Pro Line 21 advanced avionics are included. The Challenger 650's flight deck is designed to properly combine the cockpit and cabin, giving the pilots maximum comfort and control. A new flight management system has been added with more memory and faster upload speeds. The flight deck also has a multi-scan TM weather radar, which cuts down on work and makes flying smoother by preventing mistakes and letting pilots know when clear weather is coming. The aircraft also has smart runway TM and smart landing options, which help pilots during important parts of a flight like landing, taking off, approaching the airport, and working on the ground. This incredibly remarkable private jet was created to provide guests on board with a seamless flying experience that is unrivaled in the industry. With over 1,000 deliveries and still counting, this sumptuous private jet is believed to be the best-selling large business jet of all time from Bombardier Aerospace. The Challenger 650 aircraft can land at London City Airport thanks to its steep approach certification. It can also fly into and out of difficult airports like Espin and Lugano, allowing you to get closer to your destination at all times. The